Fries, and this is the burger. Guys, I'm at Auckland, Newmarket, and there's a new mall that's called Newmarket Westfield, and I just found a cool place that we do burgers. It's called Downlow, so let's take a look. So there you go. This is a place. So my food is ready, and I got me a double burger. Let's have a look at the menu. So they got the kiss beef, OG single, smoky. This is the one I got. Sorry, I got me a triple. I forgot. It's not a double. It's a triple. And for my nephew, he got a double, and we got it with the meal. So let's do this. And I got me a Coke Zero. So it was 28 bucks. Let's have a look. So there you go. Let's go eat. Hi guys. Let's track me. Just doing the trekking. Okay, there you go. I'm back. Oh, thank you. Okay guys, so I got company today, so I can't take too long doing this, but let me show you. So Coke Zero, and check out this burger. Crinkled fries, sorry. You learn something new every day. So these are the fries, and this is the burger. Super crunchy. Let me have a look at the, let me try the burger. Triple smash burger. You can really taste the beef. It's really yummy. I like it because you got pickles in it, and I love mustard, as you know, and cheese. So it's like the burgers we have in Singapore, but this is on steroids. I love it. So I can't be too long for this video because I got company, but these fries, let me try again, and you can hear them. Let me do the crunch test. I'm sure you can hear it. Super crunchy, super yummy. Try this place, guys. Downlow, Westfield, Newmarket. You will not be disappointed. You know, I always tell you what the food is like. If it's not nice, I'll tell you. So try it, and make sure you subscribe, like, and share so I can keep doing these videos for you. Thank you guys.